Hey, this is other problems. The problem today is my MPC 2000 Studio Plus. The problem is this screen. Now, I'm going to turn it on so you can see what I'm talking about. Now, as you can see, the screen is, well, the adhesive is burnt. So what I'm going to attempt to do is, and it has like one line in it, but I don't really care about the line. I just need this to be clear again. So what I'm going to attempt to do is remove this screen. Then I'm going to separate the polarizer filter from the LCD screen. Use this to remove the adhesive from it. Let's do it. Turn this off. Now I could get the blue screen from MPC stuff, and that's what I was gonna get. But then I found out that there's a glitch with the 8 outputs. If you have an MPC 2000 with the 8 outputs, then there'll be a glitch on the screen. So I didn't want to have that, so I was like, okay, you know what? I'll just try to fix this. I guess I'm gonna undo this part, this part, this part, this, where is it? This part, and this part, in order to take this bezel off. So you saw how I just bent that back, just like I'm gonna bend this back right here. Just like that. So you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the bezel should come off. Okay, here's a good look at it. Okay, it looks like right here, this little corner right there. You see that little corner right there? I guess I can run a razor blade right there, start it right there, and peel this. Okay, this is how the screen looks. I know it looks bad. Check this out. As you can see, this glue is difficult to get off. But I'll try. Check this out. Now, as you can see, the shiny surface is this screen, and this is still glue. Look at all this glue. And I'm using this razor blade, so let me finish. I'm gonna try to show you what I'm doing. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. See? It's coming up. So this should be clear. Look at this. Hold up. This is how the screen looks. Let's turn it on and see how it looks. That's right, it's not even plugged up. Plug it up. Now, turn it on. Oh, yes, right. You put the disc in there. Hold up. Look at the disc. Okay, we'll put the old operating system in there. See what's up. Now, I guess when I was scraping away all of that glue, I put some type of indent in the ribbon cable, and that's what caused these extra lines right here. Right about now, I'm checking out the different menus to see how the lines affect the visibility. And as you can see, it doesn't really affect it that much, because I can pretty much understand everything that's on the screen. So after you scrape away the glue or the adhesive, you will need to apply some type of polarizer film, or you can just wear polarizer sunglasses and see the screen. Okay, check this out. Now look at this. Right there where that dimple is, right there, you can tell it's a short right there. That's probably what's causing those lines. And you'll see it right here. It's a dimple right here. Yep, that's probably what's causing it. Thanks for watching.